A few days ago I saw a truck stuck east of the airfield. Is it yours or?
Yeah, that will help you lower the building, carrying the wood in there. Shall we make it a mission? Shall we get the driver with us in the Humvee and we go down there, try to push the truck, get it unstuck?
Yeah, we can
push
push
all the wheels and everything?
Down there with the... needs battery.
If you have what it needs, you can come.
Could you bring it in?
Drive it back.
You might as well.
Yeah, might be possible.
I think you could probably get it through the gap as well.
Yeah, get it in here, yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Glad you're sitting in the front, Julia.
Yeah, I'm covering you.
Yeah, with the no back window, I feel slightly more protected.
Yeah.
Well, a few months ago I was playing PGZ. I was a freshie and met another freshie. I had just found a gun. But we were friendly, talked, and I asked him for his name, and he said, yeah, something like Freddy or Fred. Didn't really understand.
Yeah, community guy. He's a pumpkin guy.
Yeah. And then I asked him again, what's your name, Freddy or Fred? And he said Fred. And I said that to him, yeah, luck for you, because if you had said Freddy, I would have shot you. And the next thing he said is, you must be from community.
They were the pumpkin gang, Tom, from before.
Yeah, they were.
He's alright actually. He's actually not a bad guy.
No.
Yeah,
we take a left here, and then we should be okay. There it is.
There it is. Yeah. Alright. Let's
Let's take a look.
Assess the situation. Watch it, guys. Move away from the truck.
Oh, I've got my gun in my hand. Maybe that's what.
More.
Nice, Tom.
Good off.
I think one more and that's it. After that would just give us some time to try to push it.
One more of them.
So we'll look to see if
that
we
wheel
need
over the
fix
top.
it.
That's it, Tom.
There you go, it's off.
Nice.
Okay. Guys, take the lead. We'll just drive to the side here.
Yep, no problem. You okay, yeah? You alright?
No, I see the light one, I think.
Yeah, two front wheels are fucked.
The one CR mark there, Luis,
Yeah.
for your piece.
Well, if we had a crowbar, we could take one of the other vehicles and
We came through here earlier, didn't we, and turned right? So we must have missed it, or somebody
No.
put it after.
can drive. Let's do the factory first and then we'll see.
Okay.
One sec.
We're in the water, Tom.
It doesn't go backwards.